Okay guys, we braved the rain. I think we are going to Singapore in a bit, but first we're here. This place is called Dough at the Window or something like this. Flower at the window? Flower in the window. There's the window maybe? Maybe the window's over there. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool place. Reminds us a bit of like warehousey vibes in London. And yeah, the menu is kind of, I guess, international fusion type situation. So yeah, just looking around, like the portions look good. But yeah, it's kind of like a fusion of, let's say, everything. There's Japanese, there's Thai, there's Mediterranean, there's Mexican. Meatballs, Italian, I would say, maybe, of sorts. But yeah, it's like a good mix of kind of internationally type stuff. Prices, yeah, are alright for, I guess, that. Yeah, for that kind of food, I guess. You know, if you're looking for a bit more kind of internationally comforty type food, come to this place. Flower in the window. There it is there. Yeah, so we've ordered. When it turns up, I'll let you know what it's all about. And then we're gonna head to Singapore again. Yes. Okay guys, wow, the food's turned up. It looks amazing. Check it out. I got Thai basil chicken rice. Basil chicken rice. And it's got like a chicken floss, egg, beans, cucumber, and all this goodness. It's even got pesto. I haven't seen pesto in months. And look at this one.
I have a sourdough, my favorite, with a quarter of avocado, poached eggs, smoked salmon, beans, I think like a Japanese style, and great, what's the name?
Pomegranates.
Pomegranate.
And edamame beans. Wow.
And I have orange and pomegranate juice.
Passion fruit.
Sorry, passion fruit and some of herb inside.
This sort of herb. It's also got some thyme in there.
Yeah.
That's just making time. Time for a kitchen. But yeah, it all looks amazing. Like, I'm gonna try mine. Let's try. Wow. So it kind of got a. So I haven't had Thai basil chicken for probably a very long time. But I can't really taste the basil as such, but I can really taste like an aniseed or like a licorice type flavor from there. And then this chicken floss. Yeah, so obviously it tastes like chicken. The egg, etc., etc. And yeah, that pesto looks interesting. That's what maybe the, yeah, okay. Pesto's made of basil, right? Maybe that's what that is. It all tastes pretty good. How are we doing over there?
Yeah, very good actually. This is like my favorite food for brunch, I would say. Yes.
Yeah, it does very much look like a brunchy meal. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. She's gonna finish that, and we'll let you know all about it. Bye, bye, bye. So this is the place here. It has already closed. So it closes at 3, it seems. 9 AM till 3 PM. If you want to come down. That ended up costing, cause there was like 10% tax on top, I think. So both of our meals, well, one drink, 2 meals, cost 54 ringgit. So what's that? Like £10? Yeah. I mean, you know, for that level of food and service and etc., That's a good price. It's a good price. Yeah, it was definitely worth it, I would say. So now I think we're getting a grab to the kind of checkpoint here on Johor Bahru. Johor Bahru, and then obviously getting all the way to Singapore. The time is ticking. It's now like 3:30 already. It takes about, well, to get back last night from the gardens by the bay, to get all the way home took about 2 hours, I would say. So if that's what we're kind of looking at doing, which it may well be, it could be another 2 hours, so we'll be there at 5:30. The gardens closes about 9 o'clock. It might be 10 o'clock tonight, actually. All right. Gosh, feels like I need another 10 coffees or something. Anyway, we'll get going. I think just the music in there was so chilled, like I just started melting into my seat a little bit. But we're off. We're on our way. Off and on our way. That way. Yes. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm not going to film actually all this transferring and immigration and all this sort of stuff, because I kind of did that already yesterday. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above. But obviously, there's no point in me doing it all again. We are doing a slightly different route this time, I think. But yeah, the general thing is, from here, you go to the checkpoint, and catch a bus across. You do another checkpoint, and then you're in Singapore. Then you can do anything. Well, our bus actually went all the way to kind of Queen Street, so semi-central. But you can go like a bit closer and then catch the tube, which goes all the way down to everywhere else. Probably what we're going to do today, because that's what we did on the way back, and it made more sense. All right, cool. Well, I'll film a little bit, but I'm not going to probably tell you much about it. So we'll see you there on the other side.